Imagine possessing the suave sophistication of James Bond, the piercing intensity of Cillian Murphy, and the unyielding determination of Bruce Wayne. It's not just a fantasy. It's the power of dark confidence. Learn how to unlock it and make it yours. The elusive dark confidence. How to achieve it. You know, that quiet, intimidating aura that makes you both appealing and formidable. It's not about being loud or boastful. It's about exuding a sense of self-assurance that commands respect. But let's get real. Some habits can totally kill your vibe and keep you from achieving that dark confidence. 1. Master the art of listening. Stop talking so much. I mean, think about it. When you're dominating the conversation, it's easy to come across as trying too hard. People might be polite and listen, but trust me, they're not impressed. Instead, listen more and speak less. It shows you value others' thoughts and opinions, and when you do speak, your words carry more weight. Practice active listening by maintaining eye contact, asking open-ended questions, and avoiding interrupting others. 2. Stop playing the victim. Life's tough, and things don't always go your way. But persisting through challenges and learning from negative experiences is key. It's about rolling with the punches and staying consistent. Remember, every setback is an opportunity to grow and come back stronger. Take ownership of your mistakes, learn from them, and move forward with a growth mindset. 3. Ditch overconfidence. Don't confuse overconfidence with dark confidence. They're not the same thing. Overconfidence is about pretending to know it all, while dark confidence is about being humble and recognizing the complexity of situations. It's about being aware of your strengths and weaknesses and staying grounded. Stay curious, ask questions, and be open to learning from others. 4. Reframe negative self-talk. Watch your self-talk. When you think, I don't know how, your subconscious believes it and it can hold you back. Rephrase those negative thoughts into positive ones like, when should I go out? Or how can I meet new people? It's amazing how a simple mindset shift can boost your confidence. Practice self-compassion, focus on solutions, and celebrate your successes. 5. Find balance in self-care. I'm not saying looks don't matter, but overdoing it can work against you. Find a balance between taking care of yourself and focusing on inner growth. Prioritize self-care activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul, like exercise, meditation, or reading. And guys, please don't overdo the cologne and skincare products. Use them in moderation. And remember, water and a simple skincare routine can do wonders for your skin. 6. Take control of your digital life. Don't let the digital world control your life. Set boundaries and use that free time to learn something new or work on personal growth. Trust me, it'll pay off in the long run. Establish screen-free zones, schedule digital detoxes, and engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. By ditching these habits and embracing these tips, you'll be well on your way to cultivating that dark confidence that makes you both intimidating and appealing. Just remember, it's about finding balance, being humble, and staying true to yourself.